everybody, Edel here in Portarlington Library, and this week I'm going to show you how to make a very simple craft using just some card and some wool. If you've any wool left over from the last craft, that'll be perfect for today. And what we're going to make is these little Easter hats. You can use them as little Easter decorations, or if you were gifting someone some chocolate eggs, they do look lovely sitting on top of the little chocolate eggs, or even on if you wanted to add them onto the eggs, and like the kids at home in my house have been drawing faces and that on the eggs as well. And they're a lovely little Easter decoration, and they're quite simple to do. So what you need is your empty toilet roll holder and some wool and a scissors. So with the toilet roll holder, you'll need to cut about 2 centimetre wide little rings. So you get about 5 out of one roll. So here is one, it's about 2 centimetres. Then with the wool, you're going to cut it into foot lengths. Now if you're using this type of wool, it's a thicker wool, you'll need about 20. Now if you're using a finer wool like this one, you'll need about maybe 30, 25 anyway, maybe 30 to fill out the roll. So I have mine cut here already. So it's all cut into foot lengths. So I'm just going to pinch it in the middle, like so. I'll have my ring here, and I'm going to just hold it over. So I have it over the cardboard. I'm just going to bring the loop in at the back, underneath. Pull through the long bits, if you can see it, like so, and then just pull it. You'll have to slide these pieces together. So again, I'm going to pinch it in the middle. I'm going to hold it over. My hoop is here. I'm going to bring my hoop in around the back. Pull it underneath. And pull it through. Like so. I'll do one more then. Just going to hold it over it. The hoop is this side. I'm going to bring the hoop around the back. Pull through my long bits. And pull it. And you need to straighten them up. So you have that effect, and you're going to just work the whole way around the ring until you end up with this. Okay, so all you do then, as you can see there, I've worked all the way around with that one, and then all you do is, if you have another piece of wool, just going to bring it around and tie it like so, and tie a knot in it. They're slightly longer, so I'm just going to clip the long bits. And there you go. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to see if you make some. Thank you.